Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the login form. Open a supported browser or the 9GAG app, go to the login page, and focus on precise input. Type your email or username, then paste the password from your manager if you use one. This prevents typos. Make sure caps lock is off, and if you were using a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it so the site sees your usual IP. Once done, tap Login and watch for immediate validation or an error message. You now handle the middle steps. Select the sign-in method that matches your account, email, Facebook, Google, or Apple, because mismatched providers won't connect. If 9GAG asks for two-factor authentication, open your authenticator or read the SMS and enter the numeric code quickly. Codes expire fast. If a verification email is required, open your inbox, click the Confirm link, and return to the site. Once verified, the system will grant full access, and remember the device if you opt in. You finish by validating access. Tap your avatar or profile to ensure the account loaded and notifications sync. Then tidy up security, enable two-factor authentication, update a weak password, and review connected apps or devices to spot odd entries. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Trigger the password reset flow, clear cookies and cache, or open the site in an incognito window to bypass extensions that interfere. If issues persist, retry from a different network or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.